all in our
resolutions meeting.
this year. Why don't we make it a resolution to value our health and safety? We work here in the Middle East to meet the needs of our families as well as our dreams in life. So it is appropriate that we take care of ourselves to realize them. We take care of our health and safety. This one is our number one need for us to work every day. If we are not working every day, how we can send fulus to our family in our country for them to eat, for them to chop every day? We have bacha, more money need. Here are some guidelines for making health and safety a priority in the workplace. Number one, know the hazard in the workplace through proper planning, inspection, and having training on how to make the job safe. Now, that's why we have, before we start our job here, we have orientation. No? All of us train in our safety induction. No? And our and other people have special training like rigging or being operator of our overhead crane. No? That's why this to make a job, not necessarily to their qualification. Number two, participate and be active in safety programs such as attending safety meeting, provide suggestions or solutions for solving health and safety issues in workplace. Now, same like this, meeting. Make sure not complete your night shift, 100%. Becoming maybe only 90% coming. But it's necessary to attend this one safety program so that we are reminded for the issues and concern, and we are reminded how to perform our activity safely. And we can then provide suggestions or solutions for our work area to become more safety. Ask questions and speak up. Have you thought about the safety of some of your work tasks, or have you noticed something at work that you think could be hazard? If anyone you here are in our area looking any hazard that possible hurt or kill one of our friend, our coworker, you can speak up to our supervisor or foreman or even me, safety, so that before the accident happen, we can make a solution to eliminate those hazard that might result to accident. Number four, take some time to check your personal protective equipment or PPE. Do you wear safety shoes? Can you see your work clearly with the safety glasses you are wearing? Start the year off by wearing the right PPE. This one number one problem in our night shift. PPE, sometimes we are using PPE but carbon or not clear, especially those day shift. That's why we should protect them. Also, our PPE, if you keep them in our box, avoid sama-sama, together with the sharp objects like grinder, your tools. Sama-sama your face shield, sama-sama your safety glass, your welding mask. After you complain, too much scratch. Put this one PPE in a proper place, or put this in a bag, plastic, so that it will not scratch. It will not have scratch, even though you put it inside your toolboxes. Take a correct and proper position to avoid sprain, strain, and back injury. Ask for help if the lifting is heavy. If the lifting is heavy, we have crane. If too much heavy, like that. But sometimes people too much jelly, too much like to finish the work fast. That's why it's manually lifting. For people sama-sama lifting, but it is not advisable. Always use our crane for our safety. Be careful when stepping or walking to avoid tripping, slipping, and falling. If you are walking in our area, be careful. Especially today, or starting today, other day, our area now is congested or too much people. Only day 2 and day 3 we are using. As you can see, people here, people there, people there. That's why you are be careful when walking. If you're walking, you might be looking to the access. Sometimes you have tripping or slip. Or sometimes you fall in a same place. Be alert when operating machinery. Avoid accident that may occur. Be alert when operating machinery. We have a limited operator here of our saw machine, and this one cutting machine of our pipe, and our overhead crane. Be careful. Be careful and smart when pulling and pushing things to avoid accident, especially in high places. Sometimes we are pulling other pipe, small pipe, and pushing our equipment. Those cylinder. We are pushing, but sometimes we have people there, happy looking, liberties. Only speak with a friend, but pushing, looking to the materials that pushing. That's why it's possible to hit people in the area. Number 9, avoid impulsive action. Think about what needs to be done before doing it. Keep yourself and your colleagues out of harm's way and take appropriate precautions. So avoid impulsive action. Impulsive action, this one is action without thinking. Without thinking, safety. Only thinking to finish those activity, those production need to be done in a specific day. We avoid this one. Number 1, safety. Number 2, quality. And before lastly, our production. Okay, number 10, protect the safety of coworkers. Think about the consequences or effects of your action might be. Sometimes we only thinking ourselves. We are safety for ourselves, but our friend, the left, right, front, or back are not safe. For example, those grinding without cover, in the adjacent side, there are also worker working, all your flux or the fires coming from your grinder go to your friend or the worker near the area. Only thinking self, thinking all. You're thinking your safety, you're thinking of friend safety, you're thinking all safety of people working in our area. Follow all traffic regulations while driving, even pedestrian on the road. Traffic, too much bike. Marami tayong may bike. Too much bike using inside our publication area. Now please, only bring outside. Put inside in our area. Our area is now congested. Again, please only park your bicycle outside our working area. And mapiyali bike. Other using bike without permission of the owner. Looking, problem. They will not see the using bike. If using bike, speak to the owner. So that no problem. Number 12, keep work areas clean, remove obstruction, or put aside unused materials. This one is the number 1 we need in our city. As we also speak, safety start with good housekeeping. Our area is not clean. No good housekeeping, our area is not safe. So that we should conduct housekeeping before we start the work and after we are working, so that the next group work in the area will work safely as long as our group. Number 13, report accidents even if they are small or near miss incident. Even small accident, small cutting, small eyes, small materials coming in your eyes, near miss, fall of pipe. We should report this one so that it can be avoided to happen again. Not to point finger those involved in the accident or near miss, but for our group to find solutions to avoid repetition of those accidents. This is the main goal of reporting of our accident. Now you might be scared reporting because maybe other guy thinking suspension like that. No. It is reported so that we can avoid the repetition of the incident. Number 14, immediately correct all observed unsafe conditions and word and report it to your superior. Immediately correct. Yeah, not this one other people speak boss. This one only 5 minutes, 1 minute. 1 minute no problem boss. Kalas. 1 minute but 20 seconds accident happen. Maybe 1 minute. 5 seconds accident happen. Accident happen in a blink of an eye, even maybe 1 second. That's why we should not have reason that we should work unsafe 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Ano? Okay? And again, now this one is always remember to improve your work attitude, to welcome and complete the year ahead safety and safely, and achieve zero accident. Again, we start again January. We start the whole calendar with zero accident for the year. Again, yearly we have counting our we have yearly we have whole project counting our safe man hours. As we all know, we have accident last Tuesday of one of our friend. So here are working, grinding a 4-inch pipe. Apparently, this lace of his hood was entangled with a grinder, and he lost control, and the grinder directly hit his face from downside to upside, cutting his lips. Imagine the injury of the people. Maybe other guy looking here now, the people too much pain, too much problem. How many days these people are coming up? Loss of salary, loss of fulus, sending to your family. That's why it is advisable to remove all those clothing when we are using equipment or tools with rotating parts, especially those with a lace. And our jacket should be closed. Remove necklace, watches like that. If you are using grinder, all of us night shift using grinder. And again, we have also this one near miss. For day shift, this one overloading of materials. This one pipe support A-frame, carbon. Put 3 pipe, heavy wall, 12-inch dia inch, 2 piece and 1 piece 8 dia inch. We are lucky no people downside or no food downside. So that no people hurt in this incident, in this service. In our area, as I speak before, congested now. Maybe we are now putting all materials on the same pipe support pipe. We should account all total weight of the object of our pipe we put before we put this one. We are writing this one, how many kg, how many tons. And for those bended pipe support, or stand, carbon, head crack, please remove. Please bring outside to the work area so that no one will use this one. Again, that's all our topic for today. Our New Year's resolution. New Year's resolution, but we have two incident from the previous week. Only 1 week last 2024, but 2 accident happened. Maybe we need to focus or refocus our mind. Maybe we forget because we are taking celebration for the past days. That's why we are now happen this one to accident. Hopefully, this one coming week, and days, months, no accident will happen to our group, to our project, and to all working in our company. Okay, that's all. Any concern? Okay, dagdag ka. Okay, for if ano concern, okay,